Springfield, Mass, Smith & Wesson. I wonder if the serial numbers are going to be on the other side. Model number 2213. There we go. We got the serial numbers and everything off it, guys. That's really cool. I'm gonna call the police, see what they want to do with it, and try to make it clear. I don't think it's gonna move. Yeah, no, that's not gonna move. That's really awesome. Hopefully, with me finding this, can solve some sort of cold case or something that's going on. But we're gonna give him a call. But I was able to clean off the side. That side's got the model